Hello, welcome, it's great to see you. I have a new Buttons Galore and More box to share with you today. I am guest designing for them again this season, so I do have a link and a code to share with you, so I will pop that on the screen and in the description box for you as well. If you are going to order and you can use my link and my code, I would very much appreciate it. It supports the channel and it is of course at no extra cost to you guys, which is perfect. In fact, the code actually gets you 10% off, so if you use Emma10, you will get 10% off of your whole order. This month, they have sent me the Halloween box and then some extra goodies as well. So I will show you through the Halloween box and then I'll show you the extra bits at the end. Everything in this fun yellow tissue paper is the Halloween box. So these are seasonal themed goodies with a spooky spin on them. They have helpfully included a list of everything in this month's subscription box. So there are a bunch of things and then some box exclusives as well in this one. I believe they include box exclusives in every subscription box, so it's definitely worth getting the subscription. And as far as I know, my code works for the subscription as well, so I will check that for you actually. And if you're wondering, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. But onto the spooky cute goodies in here. I mean, to start off with, straight away, I've seen this huge bottle of buttons. So these must be the box exclusive, the black and orange round buttons, and you get a whole jar of these. And they're all different black and orange buttons. So if I just pour a handful of them out for you to have a look at. There are some shiny ones, some opaque ones. What else have we got? Some with some writing on. This little guy is fun. He's got like a little spooky pattern. All different kinds of Halloween coloured buttons there. Some premium gemstone jewels embellishments. If these are the spooky jewels, yes, these ones are another box exclusive. And I mean, just look at those. So looking a bit closer at these ones, you have a bunch of different black iridescent gems in there. Some white iridescent stars and moons. Is it sort of picking up all of the different bits in there for you? The iridescent black almost looks like copper on some of them. It's really, really beautiful. So some spooky jewels embellishments. Some sparklets. These ones are called Mischief Night and they are absolutely beautiful. So you've got orange and purple and black in this one. We have some little bat sequins, some gems, some moons, all of the pretty spooky Halloween night type theme in here. That might be one of my favourite things. I thought it was the other jewels, but I just like how that mix comes together. Some little glittered words. These ones are just called Halloween. They are sparkling sentiments, it says on there. Some black glitter, silver glitter, and some orange glitter as well. Some flatbacks this time. These ones are called Thrills and Chills, and they have the sweetest little pumpkin and little ghosty carrying a pumpkin in here. A little spooky house with a bat here. Just some really fun little characters for your Halloween crafts. Then we have these called Gone Batty. These are buttons. Some of them have the traditional like loop at the back, and some have the two holes on there. I think I'm going to have to get these ones out for you to see them properly. So there are a bunch of each, but there's these two designs in there. This one with like the traditional holes to add your button, and then this one has a little loop on the back there. More buttons, I believe. Are these ones buttons? Yeah, more buttons. These ones are the Graveyard collection, or the Halloween collection, Graveyard rather. And these are all kinds of spooky things. A couple in here are far too spooky for me, so I'll be gifting those ones. I'm definitely more of a spooky cute gal. But if you like all of the creepy vintagey, all of that sort of thing, this collection is for you. And then finally, this huge tub of clay pieces. Another box exclusive. This one contains a ton of little themed clay pieces. So I think you can see most of them there. You'll have to pause the video and see how many different little characters you can find. Or designs, rather. I'm not sure what you'd call them, characters, designs. In fact, let me know in the comments which is your favourite one that you can see. I reckon I'm going to move them around a bit. Going to cheat and move them around and see what else there is. I reckon they're little ghosts, you know. They're a classic, but they're so, so sweet. saw a little vampire over here. Let me see if I can grab him for you. Little vampire face just here. You've got like a Frankenstein. These candy corn pieces are really cool. There's black cats, there's bats, pumpkins, spiderwebs, little mummies, all sorts of fun spooky goodies in this one. And you have somewhere to store them built in as well, so you can just leave them in this little container. There is the contents of the Halloween box for this month. Plenty of spooky goodness in this one and lots of sparkly bits, which I very much enjoy. So I'll pop this to one side and then I'll show you the other little bits from their website that I got. I'll start off with this one because it's another Halloween piece. So these are doodads and it just says Halloween. So 𝓷𝓸𝓽𝓮, maybe that means something on the website. I'll zoom you in and you can see just how pretty these are. So we've got some purple, like almost confetti tubes, some little gems. There are definitely some stars in this one. Let me open it up. This is so full. I've managed to get a bunch of them everywhere, but you can see much better like this. So the little confetti pieces and then a bunch of different coloured gems in there as well. And then we are on to Christmas goodies. So they sent a few things. These are some sparklets. These ones are called Sweet Twists. I will zoom you in on those as well. So you can see some more of these little like confetti tube pieces, a bunch of candy canes and red and clear crystals in this one. I'm going to leave you zoomed in to show you this Dear Santa sprinklets set. This has to be one of my favourites. My overall favourite one they've ever done for Christmas has to be the Whoville mix. I will try and link that down below for you because they still have it. But coming in a close second is Dear Santa, because I don't know how well you can see, but in here it's literally got little letters to Santa, and then obviously Santa, the hat, the presents, all of that good Christmas stuff. The final one for sequins, this is called Holly. It's a beautiful mix of holly leaves and then red and iridescent sequins in that one. These buttons, which are called Santa's Sparkle, perfect. We've got some silver, some green and some red sparkly buttons in here, and we have different sizes as well, which is great. And then the final thing that I have to share are these. These are called All That Glitters. Let me grab them out for you. This is a set of beautiful sparkly buttons. So the tree and the snowflake. We've got some presents here and then some little bells with a bow on the top. Just a lovely selection of glittery Christmas icons. That is everything that I have to share with you today from Buttons Galore and more. If you are going to order, don't forget to use my code. That's Emma10. I will have a link and the code in the description for you for whenever you need it. And I hope you have enjoyed looking at these Halloween and Christmassy themed sparkly things. I cannot wait to get crafting with them. If you have any projects that you particularly want to see, do leave me a comment and I'll see you then. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.